Hello everyone, this is Muye Industry, installation tutorial for Ranger Central Control Integrated Rail Platform. Check if the main body, accessories and screws are complete. Pre-install the main body, prepare for accessories and for screws. Flip the logo part and side parts, insert into reserved slots. Flip all three parts to the front side. Tighten with 2 flathead chamfer screws on front holes. Insert the protruding part forward into side slots, flip over, tighten with 2 countersunk screws on side holes. Pre-installation of the main body is completed. Place the main body on the central control and fit it. Prepare to accessories and for countersunk screws. Fasten the main body and platform with 2 parts from bottom up. Tighten with 4 countersunk screws on corresponding holes. Prepare to accessories and 2 button head screws, clip parts above air vent, tighten with screws. Prepare to accessories and 2 button head screws. Connect to parts with screws, keep movable. Clip on right of start button, tighten screws from bottom up. Install ball head, slide into rail and tighten clockwise. Choose any of 4 rear ball holes, tighten with screw. Rear dovetail slot can install GoPro mount. Dovetail slot with holes can install radio mount. Remove ball nut of phone mount, clip to left ball, press mount into ball, tighten the nut. Open right clip, insert phone and fasten, squeeze mount to fit phone, tighten left screw. Install GoPro mount, screw ball to base bottom, remove quick release, connect to GoPro mount. Open universal arm, clip ball and main body, tighten middle thumb screw of universal arm. Installation is all completed. Thank you for choosing and trusting Muye Industry.